Okay, so today we are going to fix a broken cable from laptop charger. So someone already tried to repair it. Regular heat shrink tubing is not enough to protect this connection because forces of twinkling cable and moving cable are too high, and eventually the soldering joints break, or the copper wire breaks near the soldering joints. So I have removed all old work. I am now cleaning up the cables, and I have designed in FreeCAD sleeve for this HP charger. Idea of this sleeve is to carry the forces in which this cable is going to be exposed, because I don't see any other good solution for this problem. Now we have 3 wires, plus, minus and data, and with 2 wires it is relatively easy to solder on jack, but with 3rd wire it can be troubling, and I don't want to destroy someone's laptop, even though charger has a short circuit protection. So I think it will look better with this TPU part. Now this part, this 3D printed sleeve is printed with black TPU. It is elastic and it is relatively thick. It has 3 loops or walls, so it will withstand the pressure and forces. Now once I have soldered everything, there will be enough place for this soldered mess to be protected underneath the sleeve. And when I put the sleeve on, I left 0.2 millimeters from sides in order for super glue to fall into the cracks and to glue original cable with this 3D printed sleeve. Idea is to super glue everything, and forces will be then carried through the sleeve rather than through the soldering spots. And that's it. So see you in the next video, and you can watch the rest of the video without me speaking. So bye bye.